A young lazy man lived in a small village. His village was situated at the foot of a mountain. All villagers were busy in their work, but the young man spent his days laying under a big tree. He enjoyed napping and daydreaming. A monk always went to the village for alms. Whenever he went, he saw the young man sleeping under the same tree. One day, the monk approached him and asked, "Why do you lie here all the time? Why don't you work in the fields? What is the reason behind it?" The young man replied casually, "I had no interest in that type of work. I did what I like. Please don't disturb me. Mind your own work." Monk smiled and answered him, "Dear, I have come here for only your benefit. I want to help you. Do you want to become rich?" Monk's words ignited the young man's interest. He sat up and said, "Yes, of course. Can you make me rich?" The monk again smiled and pointed to the mountain and said, "Behind that mountain there is a cave in which there is a precious diamond. If you can find it, you will be rich forever." The young man became disappointed after hearing this. He said, "It is difficult to climb the mountain. I am not able to climb it." The monk replied, "If you can't even do this, then leave it." He began to leave, but the young man stopped him and said, "Wait, I will go there. The cave is on the other side of the mountain, so it is not easy to reach there." But the young man was excited after knowing about diamond. He set off his journey and started climbing mountain. The climb was tough, but the thought of the diamond kept him going. After a long struggle, he reached the top. He was amazed by the beautiful view. He took some rest. Now it was time to descend, and the descent was even much more challenging, boring, and dangerous. He stumbled and fell many times, but kept going driven by the promise of the diamond. Finally, he reached the cave, but it was empty. There was no diamond. He searched again and again, but the same result. There was no diamond. He became disappointed and angry. He wondered why the monk had done this to him. Now he had to return, but he had not the courage to climb the mountain again. For a moment, he considered giving up on going back and just staying where he was. But he knew he cannot survive here for a long. So despite tiredness, he gathered his inner courage and started the return journey. After much struggle, he made it, but he was very tired. He did not have the courage to take even a single step. He was full of anger, so he forgot his pain and went straight to the monk. The monk greeted him with a smile and said, "Oh, you have come back." The young boy shouted, "Why did you lie to me? There was no diamond in the cave." The monk looked at him with kindness and said, "My dear friend, I think you have found it." The young man kept looking at him with surprise after listening to his words. The monk continued, "My dear friend, you have found the diamond of diligence. Before going there, you were too lazy to even work in the fields. But now you have climbed a mountain and returned. Now you have become diligent, and this is the true diamond. With it, you can achieve anything in your life." The young man realized that the monk was right. He had always been capable of achieving great things, but his laziness had held him back. Now he understood that he got the real diamond of diligence, and with diligence and determination, he could overcome any obstacle in his path. From that day, he began working in his fields with dedication and hard work. Now, he had become a hard-working and mature person. He had completely given up his laziness-full life. His hard work gave him good result. He spent the rest of his life with comfort and luxury. This sweet and salty story gives a strong message that if we see in our lives, we will find that we often encounter laziness, and this laziness makes us unworthy. It is a hurdle for a successful life. It stops our mind from doing anything. There are so many reasons behind the laziness. The primary cause of laziness is a lack of motivation. People become lazy when they lack a clear purpose or goal in their life. When we lack goal in our life, we feel demotivated and become lazy. We are wasting our precious time. On the other hand, when we set a goal in our life and develop a strong desire to achieve it, then our laziness disappears and we start working on our objectives. Our awareness about our goals make a difference in our life. Another reason for laziness is having easy alternatives. The young man was comfortable in his village because he had easy access to food and shelter. But when he ventured beyond the mountain, he realized that he could not survive there for long without effort. This lack of alternatives forced him to act and come back. We often fail to push ourselves in a challenging life. If we have putting ourselves in situations where success is the only option, we can eliminate laziness and become determined. The third reason for laziness is not recognizing our power and abilities. The young man never believed that he could climb the mountain and return. When he did this, then his confidence increased and he realized his potential. This shows that we all have hidden capabilities, but we fail to discover it due to laziness. Once we start believing in ourselves, nothing is impossible. We can surely achieve anything. Our willpower and positive mindset can do anything in our life. We learn that diligence has ability to turn potential into reality. It helps us build skills, achieve our dreams, and lead a fulfilling life. Laziness is not something to accept or tolerate. It is a challenge to overcome. We can push ourselves to achieve our special dreams, even when they seem hard or impossible. So let us rise above our laziness and dullness, harness our inner energy or potential, and embark on the path of our unique and special journey to get a fulfilling, successful, and happy life.